Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Yahoo account. So if you also want to log in Yahoo account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So logging into your Yahoo account is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Yahoo Mail application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Yahoo Mail application has been opened. You'll be able to find two options for sign in over here. You can either sign in with Yahoo or you can also sign in with Google. If you do not have an account, you can also sign up for your account. So if you want to sign in with Google, simply tap on the option sign in with Google. But if you want to sign in with your Yahoo account, simply tap on the option sign in with Yahoo. Now, due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. All you have to do is enter your username, email, or phone over here. After you enter the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the next option. After that, you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter your password and tap on the sign in option. After that, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Yahoo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.